Hey guys, what is up and welcome to the vlog. I had plans to work on my car today and do a whole bunch of engine work, but as you can see, the weather had other plans, which kind of sucks, but it's okay. I still will be able to work on the car today. There's something I can do on the interior of the car. Want to fix some gauges, change my quick release hub and steering wheel to some goodies that NRG sent me, which I'll show you guys in a little bit. But for now, I need to get to the post office. I need to get some more kerosene for our heaters before this whole crazy blizzard sets in and before the roads get too covered in snow that I can't drive this car. So I'm in a really big rush. Let's get to it. All right, so the consensus is I can't get out of my driveway. I started sliding down here. I nearly smashed into the wall there. It was actually like my wheel kind of hit there, but then I just dropped it into second, and then after like sliding a bit, I managed to get back up here. So yeah, I'm not going anywhere in the car today, that's for sure. And what I'm going to end up doing is probably just working on that steering wheel, and that's about it today. So let's do that. All right, guys, so obviously I'm snowed in and I can't go out and do anything in my car, and I can't work in the engine bay of the car with a whole list of other things I want to get done. But what I can do is I can do my steering wheel and new quick release. Now, my current setup, the quick release and steering wheel don't allow me to have a horn. It's more of a track kind of orientated setup, right? This particular quick release from NRG, which is their revision 2.5, I believe, allows me to still have a horn. You can see the wires coming through here. And I also prefer this design because it's got the tabs that you pull towards you, so it's going to make it a little bit easier. As well as they sent out this wheel and they want me to try it out, see what I think of it, see if it flexes and everything like that. So once I get this bolted on, it does feel really good in the packaging. Like, it feels really strong. Once I get the new quick release bolted on with this wheel, I'll try it out, see if it flexes. But I just want to say a huge thank you to NRG. I hit them up, I told them what I do, and they decided they wanted to support and sponsor me. So just, it's so good to see companies wanting to support channels like me. So just a really big thank you to NRG for that. And on the sideline as well, we're now going to be able to sell NRG products on our website at Otaku Garage, my mechanic business and stuff like that in Australia. So that's going to be great as well. So what we might be able to do is organize you guys a little bit of a coupon code in the future so that subscribers on my channel can go and buy them on our website and get them at a discounted price. Anyways, but for now, we're going to install this. So let's get out in the car, install it, test it out, see how it goes. Man, this snow is getting a little bit crazy. Little bit crazy. Gonna get all my tools in here. All right, so I'm in the car and it is pouring down snow outside. Like, the blizzard is intensifying. It's gonna be full blown crazy. The news report just says it's gonna keep getting worse. May's been sent home from work. I don't even know what I'm gonna do for the rest of the day now. But what I do know is I'm gonna do this right now. Right now, you see how the wheel's crooked? That's because last time I did it, I didn't mark where straight was when I put the new Boss kit on. So I screwed that up. But anyways, I've obviously got the wheels straight right now, and I'm gonna make sure that I'm gonna re-put the Boss kit on so that everything's straight. But yeah, for the rest of the day, I think I may even do an IRL live stream and just walk around in the snow, go to the convenience, get lunch and stuff like that. I think that'll be kind of cool, walking around in a blizzard and filming that. I'm supposed to be going snowboarding tomorrow. Don't know if I can even get to the station to get my tickets. There's May, she just got home from work. She got sent home from work. Pinky. It's crazy. Did you see my skid marks from me slipping out of the driveway? I couldn't get down, so I just sped back up.
That's so bad.
I know, I got some crazy gutter rash on my wheel there from it. But it's okay. They're the crap wheels. Yeah. All right, I'll see you inside. Anyways, I'm gonna change my wheel now. All right, guys, so hands down, I am super impressed with this wheel kit. Literally, I try to bend and flex the wheel. It doesn't flex at all. The only thing that's actually moving is my entire steering column here. This is like, you know, the lever you push down and like kind of maneuver the way you want the wheel up and down. That's what's kind of got the play in it right now. I don't have any play in the quick release or the hub or the wheel at all. So I'm really happy about that. As well as just, it feels incredible. It's brought the wheel a little bit closer to me, which is good. The deep dish kind of wheel plus the quick release has brought it closer to me, which is good. I'm a big guy, my seat's quite further back, and I want my elbows to be nice and tucked in. You don't want them stretched out while driving. So this is actually a really good position for me. So that'll be good. My elbows are kind of tucked in here, which is great. As for like the quick release itself is just awesome. You pull on the tabs and the whole wheel slides off. You want to put it back on, it clicks in right away, no play, and you're good to go. So I'm really impressed with that. I literally cannot believe how good the quality of this is. So good job, NRG. I'm impressed. I can't flex that at all. So really happy about that. Anyways, right now I'm gonna pack up all my tools, get inside. Me and May are gonna go to the store and try and get some food before everyone else buys everything. It looks like the news is now saying that this snow blizzard is gonna stick around for potentially another 3 days, which means no work or anything during then. So it's gonna be insane. So we need to prepare for that. So we're gonna do that. And I'm probably gonna do an IRL live stream. And May's calling me, telling me to hurry up. Anyways, let's get going. Okay, so it is now the next day, and as you can see, it stopped snowing. The snow is all now starting to melt, and yeah, it was pretty intense last night. We're gonna go walk to the gas station, get some more kerosene, because we've pretty much run out of that now for our heaters. Yeah, I'm gonna clean all the snow off the car, all the snow around the car. We're not gonna go out in the car yet because the roads are still really sloshy, and I just don't want to risk it. And I'd have to clear all of this snow here just to get out as well. And I don't want to deal with that. We'll let Mother Nature melt that all down. But yeah, like it's kind of all clear there because the neighbor cleared it all. But then like there's slush still everywhere, and down there, like all the intersections are just full of snow still. So it's not worth risking it. Anyway, so I'm going to set you guys up on the time lapse. I'm going to do that. Another bit of good news is I emailed my boss. He gave me another day of annual leave off, which is awesome. So I can go snowboarding now with my sister, but it's going to be tomorrow, not today. We just couldn't get the tickets today because of the snowstorm and everything's closed. So that kind of sucks. Anyways, going to clear out this snow, put you guys on the time lapse, and we'll get started. Alright, so we just finished shoveling away our entire driveway and making enough room so that I can get out with the car. Now, I previously did say that I wasn't going to take the car out because I was a bit worried about it. But I don't know, I was talking with May and we're gonna risk it. We think it'll be okay. The roads are like, the snow's pretty much all melted and now, and in some places it's even dry. So we're gonna give it a crack. We're just going to the service station for some kerosene, so it should be okay. So it looks like there's a little bit more snow on these side streets than I was anticipating. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Snow drifties. Okay, so we survived the car drive from the gas station and we're now heading to the bus stop to then get to the station and get to Yokohama station where the Shinkansen is, the bullet trains, because we need to get our ticket for snowboarding. JR Rail, which is the company that runs the bullet trains in Japan, they actually own the ski resort called Gala. And we're going there tomorrow, and to get the tickets, you need to do it a day before you go, otherwise you pay 60% more. So we're doing that now. Then we're gonna go check out some cool things at Yokohama, check out the bay and things like that. But otherwise, yeah, we survived the car ride. Hannah, you should just roll that down the hill. Just try and roll it. No, you gotta pick it up with your hands. Yeah. Come on, there you go. Roll it. Okay, stop, that's enough. Look how much bigger it got. It picked up all that snow you rolled. Oh my gosh, it was so heavy. So yeah, it was pretty scary driving the car. We had to go up a different street than the ones that we went out on to get up, like to get the car so I could drive into the driveway correctly. And We were going up the hill. I lost all traction. The car wasn't moving. I had to floor it in second and clutch kick it a few times up, and the car was going crazy like this. It was pretty scary, but also really fun. Anyways, we're gonna jump on the bus now and head to Yokohama. All right, we made it alive. Check out the size of the snow chains on this bus. I nearly called it a truck. What is wrong with me today? It was a pretty bumpy ride, hey. All right, let's get some Starbucks. Oh God, I sound like TJ Hunt. I just realized I don't think I've formally introduced my sister to you guys. So this is my sister Hannah. What's up? She's obviously visiting here in Japan, hanging out with me for a week. Did you spill coffee all over yourself? Oh, that's okay. I do the same thing all the time too. Anyways, we're gonna jump on the train now and head to Azumino Station, then jump on the subway and get to Yokohama, get our snowboarding tickets, and then we're gonna hang out there for a bit. All right guys, so I'm obviously back home now. We got our tickets, we got everything. It's already like nearly 9:30 p.m. We're packing everything to go tomorrow. We've got a crazy early start tomorrow. We've got to be up at like 4 a.m. so that we can leave in time to catch the train at like 6:40 something from Tokyo. So we got a little bit of traveling to get to Tokyo and everything. But tomorrow's going to be awesome and I can't wait. By the time this video ends, we'll be already at the slopes. I'm going to continue the vlog, make this one an extra long one. Hope you guys enjoy. See you tomorrow. Hey guys, what is up? And welcome to the next day. We're obviously on the slopes. It is snowing like crazy. It's pretty cold as well. Hopefully you can see me. There's so much snow in the lens right now. I hope my camera survives this. I don't have the waterproof casing for it. My sister's doing really well. I'm kind of teaching her all the basics and everything. But yeah, definitely excited to just get back out there and shred some more snow. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna try and film a few runs and things like that. Throw in the video maybe with some music and we'll see how we go. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so time warping ahead here. We're home, it's like 10:30 p.m. at night. I'm extremely wrecked, just finished eating dinner. I'm about to jump in the shower and then I'm gonna pass out. I'm sure you guys know exactly what it's like when you go snowboarding or skiing, especially the first time of the season. Your body just hurts, muscle pain and everything. It's painful. Going upstairs tomorrow is gonna be fun. But yeah, I just wanted to say thanks heaps for watching. I know this video was kind of a little bit all over the place and I've kind of like put together all like the last 3 days into one vlog, and that's just because so much like with the snow and all my plans got changed so much, and yeah, you'll see, you know what I'm talking about. Anyways, I don't really know what I'm saying anymore, but I just want to say it was heaps of fun hanging out with my sister today. I don't get to see her much anymore because I live in Japan and she lives in Australia. So it was really good to spend time with her, teach her something new. She's never really been snowboarding before and learned how to snowboard, so that was really good. Spending time with your family is important. I think in like once she leaves at the end of this week, at the end of this week when she leaves, I think I've only got like a week and then my parents arrive as well. So it's definitely a bit intense. And then after my parents go home, Ben's back again for another drift event or something like that. I don't know, he's crazy. Anyways, I'm rambling on and I have no idea what I'm saying. So I'm going to say goodbye to you guys. Thanks heaps for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll catch you on the next one. Ciao, mata ne.